Hello guys, this is your mentor Akash Pahurkar. I'm happy to announce that we are going to launch a batch for students who are aspiring for IPMAT 2021. The batch starts today at 7 p.m. that is 24th December. Now before I give you a few more details of this batch, let me tell you how you can stay connected to us and benefit more from Unacademy. First of all, you need to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel that is Unacademy CAT4MBA so that you can stay connected and you will get more updates and you can watch all the amazing videos that we are going to launch for you. After that, please join this channel that is Unacademy_Akash Pahurkar. This is my Telegram channel where you can stay connected to me and you can post your queries and I'll address all the queries, all the doubts you have. Sky10 is my discount code. Using this code, you can unlock all the free sessions on Unacademy Learning app, which is an amazing platform for your practice. So let's start with this session and I'll give you few details and few updates of how we are going to proceed further. The agenda of this batch of this course is first step is to help you excel in basic calculations, which is the most important step in your preparation. Second step is to help you excel in concepts. There are different concepts which are used for preparation of IPMAT. For example, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, coordinate geometry, there is advanced maths as well. So all these concepts, I'll help you to practice all those concepts. And third and important step is I'll help you to crack IPMAT 2021 through enough practice. So in this course, we are going to start with calculations, and after that we'll understand all the important concepts and then we'll practice ample number of questions so that you can crack IPMAT 2021 easily. We are two educators who are going to train you for this examination. Quantitative ability will be taken care by me, I'm Akash Pahurkar, and verbal ability will be taken care by Nitika ma'am. Both of us have ample experience of training students for IPMAT examination. Now, what is the schedule of this batch? The schedule is from Monday to Saturday. Every day we are going to have this batch. Quantitative ability will be taken care by me at 7 p.m. and verbal ability will be taken care by Nitika ma'am at 6 p.m. The schedule for verbal ability you will get it soon. Now let me tell you from 24th December, that is starting from today till 30th December, what is our plan. Our plan is on 24th December we'll start with Vedic Maths. We'll have two sessions on Vedic Maths on 24th and 25th of December. Then we'll have one session of fractions and decimal on 26th December. Then we'll have two sessions on surds indices on 27th and 28th of December. On 29th and 30th December, we'll have two sessions on logarithm, and the upcoming schedule I'll be updating you soon. So I hope all of you will join and let's crack all the BBA entrance exams, guys. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel that is Unacademy CAT4MBA. And please use my code SKY10 to unlock all the free sessions on Unacademy Learning app. Thank you so much.